Hi YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter in your Kenmore refrigerator. And for this you'll need the replacement filter. Put a link for the model refrigerator I have in this filter here. Kenmore Cold Spot, model number 106.584.22700. Find your model number and you can plug that in Amazon and you can find the proper filter for your refrigerator. And also you'll need a 1 gallon pitcher, as you will have to swap out 4 gallons of water once you replace the filter to flush the system once you've installed the new filter. So first thing you'll need to do is get down to the bottom here and find where your filter is. You can see located right here with the push button release and then your cap on the end of your filter here. So what you'll want to do is just go ahead and push this in and pull this out straight out. And what I like to do is leave that in this position here so that you can line up how to put in your filter, because you're going to have to get these two ends in the right spot in order to get that new filter back in place. So you have to remove this plastic cap here on the end and insert that onto your new filter. This is your cap here to hold that filter in place. So I'm done with this one. You can dispose of that and we'll go ahead and get the new filter and install the cap. Alright, go ahead and take the new filter out of the package. Alright, now on the end of your filter you're going to have a protective cap here for the ends. Go ahead and remove that, and then you're going to simply want to take your cap for the end of the filter, slide it in until you line up the marks, and then the trickiest part here is bringing this in. You may want a flashlight, but you want to go ahead and try to lean down in here and line this up, push it straight back. Once you hear that click, you know that your filter's in. You'll hear some water going through. At this point, you finish the install, and the only thing left to do is to go ahead and flush out the 4 gallons of new water. So, come up here, get your 1 gallon container. Once you've replaced the filter, you'll want to go ahead and burn your 4 gallons of water. One thing I like to try to do is reuse that water if you have some plants inside, a garden outside, anywhere you can use some water outside of drinking it, as you want to wait till you've burned the 4 gallons of water and cycled out the system with the new filter. But if you need to, you can also just take it down and pour it down the sink there. Make sure you get 4 gallons out and your system has been flushed and you're ready to use your new filter. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.